To our ultimate science quiz challenge. Are you ready to test your knowledge and see if you can conquer our toughest questions? Let us know how many you get right in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a quiz. Let's dive into the fascinating world of science and have some fun. Let's go!
What planet is known as the Red Planet? What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? What is the chemical symbol for water? What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? What planet is closest to the Sun? What force keeps us grounded on Earth? What is the powerhouse of the cell? What is the main gas in Earth's atmosphere? Who developed the theory of relativity? What planet is known for its rings? What element does O represent on the periodic table? What type of bond involves the sharing of electrons? What is What is the largest organ in the human body? What is the process by which plants make their food? What is the center of an atom called? What part of What part of the brain controls balance? What is the chemical formula for table salt? What does DNA stand for? What is the speed of light? What gas do humans exhale? What metal is liquid at room temperature? What is the smallest unit of life? Which planet has the most moons? What is the main component of the Sun? What part of the cell contains genetic material?